Hello, I'm Terry from Howler Magazine. I'm your marketing manager. We're excited to offer the opportunity to be your media partner during this season. We've been around for 24 years, over 25,000 followers on Facebook and Instagram, over 200,000 hits on our website just last year, and we're hitting more people now and more opportunities during this season. Hope you look at the material and see how we can be your media partner, reaching out online to where people are at with your ad and reminding them about all the great things of Costa Rica. Talk to you soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is the captain speaking. Just about ready to depart. We should be away on schedule in the next couple of minutes or so. Flight time will be
Can say